Well, hello, monkey friends. It is Tuesday. Welcome back to the Spelling Room. I am Mrs. Gilardi. Were you able to watch the Transformer H video? Oh, good. I'm glad you did. Okay, so now that you're back here into the Spelling Room, let's talk about some of those words that are transformed by the letter H. So H can change the sound, and it turns our regular letters, our regular consonants, into digraphs. So how does that happen? It's magic, I tell you. So let's take a look at some of the words that can be transformed when we add the letter H. So the first word we're looking at is save. Save, right? What happens when we transform it with our letter H, right? What happens? We turn save into shave. Shave. So save becomes shave. All right, here's another word that changes, and this one's not on our list. Shave was not on our list either, but this is a word that changes. What about the word camp? Camp, camp, right? What happens when we transform that? When we add that transformer H, what do we have? Camp becomes champ. Camp, champ. So that letter H changes the sound of that beginning consonant and it turns it into a digraph. It turns it into two letters into one sound, that magic transformer H. All right, let's take a look at one of the words that is on our list. How about cat? What's the word on our list that we get when we add transformer H? Think about it. What is that word? I heard it. Did you say cat becomes chat? You're right. That's because cat, when it gets that transformer H right next to it, it turns to chat. Very good. Here's another word from our list. This is our last example. Oh, wait a minute. No, I have two more examples, I think. Okay. So the word sip. If I take a sip of my water, what happens if I add that transformer H? What word do I get when I add transformer H? Did you say, did someone say ship? You are right. Ship is what happens when we add that transformer H to sip, right? Okay, last one, last example. Okay, we have the word tan, tan. What happens when we add that transformer H to T? Well, we get the digraph, right? So tan becomes than, just like we've been talking about in math this week. Tan turns to than, greater than, less than. We are learning all about that this week in math with Mrs. Aubrey. So pay attention, guys. You're going to need it. Okay, so transformer H does a lot. And remember, it changes two sounds to one. That is awesome, amazing. So today, what you're doing is you're finding the missing letter. We've been doing this for a few weeks. You can take that knowledge with you about transformer H and use it to help you transform your words. If you are wondering, how can I figure out these words? It's too hard. What am I going to do? We've talked about the strategies that we can use. We can look at the picture clues that we have. We can also look at the missing letter boxes. What shape is it? Is it a tall rectangle? Is it a square? What kind of a letter would fit into that box? Is it a skinny mini? What kind of a letter would fit into a skinny mini rectangle? Well, you guys know the answers to that. All right, take a look back at your work from yesterday. Look at the sort that you did and look at the picture clues that you had yesterday, and that can help you out a lot too. All right, guys, I will see you back here on Thursday. Tomorrow you have specials, so I will see you back here on Thursday. Good luck with your finding the missing letter, and I will see you in a couple days. Bye.